There are places on Earth you are never allowed to enter, not because they're secret, but because they're too dangerous. These are restricted zones, places humans are forbidden from stepping foot in. Some places are closed to the world not to contain a danger, but to protect a unique and fragile way of life. One island in the Bay of Bengal stands as a clear and profound example of this principle. No tourists are permitted to land on its shores. No researchers are allowed to conduct studies on its soil. National and international laws are strictly enforced to keep everyone away. Even flying an aircraft too close to its coastline is illegal and met with serious penalties. Sailing a boat too close to its coastline is illegal and met with serious penalties. This strict isolation is not a punishment or a quarantine. It is a promise made by the outside world to leave a small group of people completely and utterly alone. Other places on our planet are empty because of a danger that you cannot see, smell, or touch. This invisible threat is radiation, a lasting legacy of nuclear accidents and activities. When a nuclear power plant fails catastrophically, it can release vast quantities of radioactive particles into the environment. These particles settle on the land, in the water, and become part of the very fabric of the ecosystem. In the face of such pervasive contamination, entire towns and cities have been abandoned. People were forced to leave everything behind, evacuating their homes. Beyond cultural sanctuaries and radioactive wastelands, some sites are forbidden because of the extreme science and testing that takes place within them. These are locations where scientists work, engineers work, military personnel work. They work with materials and under conditions that are far too risky for public exposure. This can involve highly volatile chemicals, potent biological agents, testing of powerful and secret military hardware. To ensure public safety, these sites are often in remote areas, and they operate under the strictest security protocols imaginable. These facilities, Biosafety Level 4 labs, are engineered to be completely sealed from the outside world. These forbidden places, though diverse in their nature and location, exist for a shared set of fundamental reasons. At their core, they are a product of caution and a deep-seated instinct for self-preservation. The bans are not arbitrary rules designed to make people afraid or to hide conspiracies. They are practical, moral, scientifically backed decisions made to protect human populations from immediate harm and long-term consequences. When dealing with lethal pathogens enduring radioactivity, unpredictable results of extreme testing, the simplest and most effective safety measure is to create a boundary and declare, "Do not enter." This is a clear admission that some risks are too great to manage in any other way. In our modern age, every corner of the globe has been mapped, photographed, shared online. We can virtually visit the highest mountains, the deepest oceans from the comfort of our homes. Yet, in this world of seemingly total access, some places remain resolutely out of reach. But they are not for us. Subscribe to Epic Unknown for extreme places and real stories the world doesn't talk about.